In the last video, that is part 8, I taught you about KPI dashboard. In today's video, that is part 9 of pivot table, I will be teaching you drill down in pivot table and show report filter page. So let us see our sample data. Now this is my sample data which you can download from the link in my description. So according to this data, this is my data. I have given you some data of joining, name is there, salary is there, division is there, rating is there, age. So I've got altogether there are 423 records. So this is a very huge data I have over here. So according to this data, the first thing that I want to show you is drill down in pivot table. So for doing drill down and pivot table, you just have to click inside the data first. I've just clicked inside here. Press Ctrl A, select the full table, click on insert, click on pivot table from table range. Then I want it over here in the existing worksheet only. So I'll click on existing, location, I'm just taking it over here. So you can take it where you want. I'm just clicking somewhere here. So this is my staff details, is my name of my sheet, and I12 is the name of that row and column. So now if I say OK, so you get a screen like this. Now for doing drill down in pivot table, I just want this division is there. No? Division, you push it in rows, just drag it in rows. Salary, I'm pushing in values, so I get my values over here. And one more time salary, you drag it. I'll explain to why I'm dragging the second time over here. Now here it tells me the names of the department, that is the salary given. In this particular department, this much salary has been given. And here I would like to find out how many people are working in this department. In AD department, how many people are working. For that you have to double click on this top heading is there, sum of salary. You double click. And over here, instead of sum, you say count and say OK. So I should get the number of people who are working in this department. And over here, the sum of salary is there. I would like to have as a decimals. You can click inside here, first amount, right click, and value field settings, which I have already explained in the earlier videos. If you have not gone through, you can just go through that video about that. Number format, number, and here you can make it as use thousand separator. Here it says 2 decimals. If you want to make it, if you don't want any decimals, you can make it 0. Otherwise, if you want decimals, you can make it 2. Okay. Okay. So you can do decimals over here. So now I've got my option. I've got my pivot report like this. Now what is this drill to does actually is, and now in AD department there are 41 people working. In CDF there are 48 people working. But who are these 41 people? I don't know. I'll have to check it over here. So instead of that, pivot table I was given this option called as drill through pivot table. For that you have to make a table like this, which I have already created. So now if I double click on this 41, it will create a copy of it in a new sheet. See, I'm just double clicking on this 41. This is the AD department. Double click. So as you can see that it has copied all my, who are these 41 people, it is showing over here. It has made in a new sheet. So again, if you go to your main sheet of your staff details, if I double click on this 18 is this ED department, double click, see, it is getting shifted over here. So this is the use of this option of yours called as drill down in pivot table. There's one more example which I want to show you actually. This example is called as show report filter page. Instead of you double clicking over here like this, it should come automatically. All these departments are there, no? All those departments should come automatically on the sheet down here like this with the names. Because see what is happening, I'm getting like this. Detail 2, detail 3. Now this detail 3 is about ED. So if I have to double click like this, and then I have to manually, I'll have to type it over here, AD, enter. So instead of doing it like this, so basically I don't want it like this. So I'll have to type it over here like this. So instead of that, what you can do is, we can use this option of yours, which I'm going to show you the second option, that is called as a report filter page. For that again, I'll just make a new sheet. Just click inside here and press Ctrl A. Insert, click on your pivot table, table from range, existing, Location, just take it where you want. I'm just taking it down below here. Okay. So now, what thing you wanted on the sheets? Like I want this division to come in down below. If you want name, then name has to be dragged to the filter option. I want division. So division, you push it in filter. Then name, I'm pushing in rows. Then salary, I'm pushing in values. So I get my report like this. I've put my division in filter, names in rows, and values in sum of salary. So once you're done this much, you can click over here, pivot table analyze. There's an option called options over here, but don't click on this option over here. Side में there's an arrow. Click on that arrow sign. There's an option called show report filter page. So you click over there. So as you can see, it says division. See what I've kept in my filter, it is showing me over here. So I clicked on my division option. I say okay. So automatically it will copy this entire that division over here down below in my sheets. See, I'm saying okay, less than 1 minute. See, it has created a report for me. See, this is all your AD department information with their names, with their salary. Next sheet. So all your sheets it has created for me with their department. So this is the use of this option actually. So similar thing if I want name. So I can just remove this division and push it in rows first, and name if I push it in filter. So now you will get like this. See, if I can go to pivot, analyze, options, and report filter, it will give you with your names now. So now what is happening is it is copying, because see I've got altogether 423 records. So depending on the records, how many records you have, it will that much time it is going to take it. See. So basically now what is happening, it is sequencing down, something is happening here. It is copying the data for me with their names, with their department, and with their salary. So you have to wait till this entire thing gets copied for you. See, so all those names is come. See, the names with their department, with their salary. You can see that it has created a report for me from here. So this is the use of this drill down in pivot table and show report filter page that I've showed you just now in pivot table. So don't forget to like my videos and subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss up the upcoming videos. In the next video, I will be teaching you how do you create pivot table with multiple sheets by using Power Query Editor. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you.